Hey, welcome to Giddy Up Art Studio. Today we are creating a contour portrait. This will probably take you a couple work sessions, so let's get started. What you're going to want to do is take the self-portrait that we took earlier, put it in a photo sleeve, and make sure you've got a Sharpie. So today we're going to be creating the outline or the contour of our face, of our portrait. So what you're going to do is you're going to outline on the photo sleeve the lines of your face, as well as any part of your hair, your shirt, your clothing, any accessories. Perhaps you had a stuffy with you. You're going to outline all of the lines. Take it slow. The one thing I didn't do here is I worked on the right hand side. You see my hand right there? It landed on the mark that I had just created. It is going to smudge that. See? I smudged it. So I'm going to go over that again, and then I'm going to remember, oh yeah, if I'm right-handed, I should start on the left side and move to the right. And if I'm left-handed, I'm going to start on the right side and move to the left. But I didn't do that here. You can. I am noticing that the video makes it seem so I can't see my folds in my shirt as much as I could in reality. So it looks like I'm kind of making things up. If you absolutely cannot see something, you can make it up. But it's better to actually look for the contours. Okay, here we're speeding it up. Okay, you've been following your contours. You have not missed any lines. You're avoiding smudging. And here is the big reveal. There you have your basic contour self-portrait. Of course, it's on the photo sleeve, so let's transfer this to paper. Okay, I have taped both an 8x10 piece of paper on top of my photo sleeve and then taped it to the window. What you're basically creating is your own makeshift light table. I'm now tracing with pencil. Again, if you are right-handed, start on the left side. If you're left-handed, start on the right side. I have smudged quite a few lines on this piece, and that's okay. So what you're going to do is just trace, and this is transferring your portrait onto a piece of paper. Take that paper back to your workstation, and you're going to use your thin Sharpie, and you are going to outline the lines. And eventually you'll erase the pencil marks. Take your time. I'm speeding this up so that you get the point. Okay, so you have outlined your portrait. If you want to create a wallpaper behind you, you can do the same process that you did with your self-portrait. I drew a cowgirl boot and then did the exact same process, moving that same cowgirl boot around to create a wallpaper. The important thing to do is to experiment and have fun. For more information, visit GiddyUpArtStudio.com.